Hello everybody, Sean Milburn here with Milburn Motorsports once again today. This is going to be part 2 of the RSX repair video. The car's going in for paint, and we're going to get it all touched up and finished. You guys are going to get to see the finished results and how we got there. So let's jump right into the video. We'll just go in and start painting. Alright, so it's the next morning, and yeah, we're just plugging away. So we're getting prepped for paint. Apparently just put some scratches and everything so that the paint will stick, but it's going pretty good. So it's gonna keep at it, keep scrubbing away, and then once we get to paint, we'll start there and just keep going. But I'm just gonna keep wiping this down.
So just as you move, you pull the trigger.
Okay.
Just like a rattle can. And you don't want full coverage the first time. You're just putting some on there. We're going to do this bottom rail and that bottom rail.
Okay.
That's making a stripe, so.
Paint's looking pretty good so far. Almost on to step 2.
Almost to step 2. Just gotta let it dry and then we can tape it.
Yep. So now that this is all silver, or silver in the spots where it needs to be, so the hood, part of the bumper, everything else is, we're gonna tape off just the stuff we don't want to actually get painted.
Blue.
Yeah, so we're gonna tape all this stuff off and tape off down here. Do it kind of the original, what we did before. And that should be pretty good. And then we'll paint the rest of it blue and we'll peel the tape off and it should be good to go. All right, so we got the rest of the car masked off now. So you can see anything we want to stay silver is gonna be taped off here. So the whole middle piece of this hood, down to the logo, all that, and then this little under portion here. Do a little stripe along the bottom, follow up over here. So ends up pretty good. We're gonna see how the blue turns out. Hopefully it's not too terrible. You can always bring some different paint colors to your quarter panels.
More like you're trying to get some color on it, right? There you go.
Well, I didn't know how hard.
Yeah, I understand. All right, you need to get like right here. Sometimes you got to stand back and take a look, right? There you go. By now you want it to be fairly the same color.
So now, by now you want it to be fairly the same.
Yeah, but not yet. It's just, you know, you don't really want to see any silver. It can be a little light, but that's okay. There you go. Okay, work up to the hood.
Right here too.
Okay, we'll get it next coat around.
Okay, we're gonna do another one?
Yeah, absolutely. Might do another 2.
Let the compressor catch up.
All right, all done. It's time to let that dry. Super excited to see how this turns out. Huh? Yeah, we still have to clear coat it with the painting stuff. All done with the paint. How do you felt that went?
Good. You know, it started off a little bumpy, and then we got it figured out.
We're gonna reveal what it looks like. Look at that. Here it sits, man, back on the ground, all ready to go, looking good. Heck yeah, man. So we're back in action. I'm super excited about that. We're looking for a good time this year in the Touring Car Championship. Now the car's back in action. I was really concerned that we weren't gonna be ready. I thought that this crunch was really gonna mess us up. Still gotta fix that headlight and that headlight over there too. They're really foggy. So a few more things we got to do, but other than that, it's pretty much done. Got to put a splitter on it and it's good to go. It's ready to go out and get some testing done to it. So that's going to finish up the repairs. Super straightforward, pretty simple and easy. Didn't take us that long. We crashed it on Sunday, came back to life by Saturday. So just completely painted, all the stickers back on. Don't have a shot of all the stickers back on, but you guys will see that in the next video. We're going to go out for some testing and tuning, or go out and race in the US Touring Car Championship. We kind of do both at the same time. Our test day was the day before the race, so I didn't get a whole lot of time to actually see if the car was up to snuff and capable. But you guys will just see that in the next video. Leave a like if you enjoyed, leave a comment down below if there's anything you want to see in specific, anything I can do next. If not, then I'll see you guys at Thunderhill Raceway for the US Touring Car Championship, round 1. It's going to be an awesome time. See you guys there. It's been Sean Milburn with Milburn Motorsports. I'll see you in the next video.